chopped onion, tomatoes, thyme, paprika, curry, ginger, garlic, carrots with scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, peas. You can add more. I just decided to add little so that my boy will like it. 2 seasoning cubes, salt to taste, give this recipe a try. It was really delicious. Even my little boy said, "Mommy, it's so delicious." Give this recipe a try. I parboiled the rice. This water, I use it to boil fish. I use it to boil fish. Look at this yummy-listic, delicious rice. Have you liked my video? My food is ready. Please help me share this video. Give my video a thumbs up, please. Follow me for more delicious recipe. If you have not subscribed to my channel YouTube, please subscribe. If you are watching on TikTok, thank you so much. Follow this page. If you are watching on Facebook, thanks so much. Thanks for watching to the end. Follow me if you are not following me. Share this video and like, comment below. Bye bye.